Hey all, in this session we are going to see how we can able to perform context click or right mouse button click by using Python Selenium. So the entire program is present in this GitHub locations. So let's go see how we can able to perform the context. So first we will go to this website, then afterward we are going to perform the right click on this button. So once you right click on it, the new pop-up window is open, so it contains some of the elements. Then afterward we are going to click on any one of this button. Okay, so normally when we click on other than some web pages, some of the new pop-up window is going to open, like this one here: back, reload, save as. These are not website related pop-up windows, so we can't able to perform this operation by using Selenium. This is window related operations. Okay, so let's write a one simple program. Now I'm going to open a one program, new program, Python file. Name of the Python is right mouse button demo. Okay, to perform any keyboard or mouse related actions, we need action chains. By using that, we can able to perform. Okay, so let's create an one web driver. So browser is equal to web driver. First, we need to import the web driver from Selenium. Import web driver. So browser is equal to browser dot. In this case, I am opening the Chrome browser. Then I need to perform the location of the Chrome driver exe file. In this case, the location is this one. I will copy and I'm going to paste. It's done. Then afterward, I am going to maximize the window. That is a browser dot maximize the window. Then afterward, I am going to navigate to the URL. That is a browser dot get this website. Done. Then afterward, I'm going now I need to perform the right mouse button operation on this element. So let's take the XPath of this one. Expect element, copy. Yeah, here we got. Okay, that is Control F. Span text is equal to right click me. Yes, we got the XPath. So right click element is equal to browser dot find element by XPath. Done. Okay, now I need to perform right mouse button operation. For that, I need to use the action chains. So before that, I need to import from selenium dot webdriver import action chains. It's done. So action chains is equal to action chains. I'm passing the browser object. Now done. Now I need to perform the right mouse button operation. So first I need to go to the move to element, that is action change dot move to element, right mouse button element. Then afterward I need to click. Okay, so here right here only context click. So we can context click on the same element. Then afterward dot perform. Okay, so let's wait for 10 seconds. Mm, import time. Then after waiting for 10 seconds, quit the browser. It is a browser dot quit. Okay, now run the program. Now browser has created. Now website is opened. Now it will go to the right mouse button element. See here, you can see it has opened. It is performed the right mouse operation. Now the next thing is, can we able to select these things or not? So okay, we have performed that one. Now I need, once we perform this one, I need to click on keyboard arrow down button one time. Then I need to select click on enter button for edit menu. Okay, so let's see how we can able to perform that one. Again same thing, actions dot action dot send keys, that is keys dot, for before that I need to import the keys from Selenium dot webdriver dot commons dot keys, import keys, arrow down followed by enter key, dot send keys, keys dot enter key dot perform. Yes, let's see. Let's, I will give here time dot sleep 5 seconds. Okay, here you 5 seconds. After 5 seconds I will going to perform the arrow button down and afterward followed by enter key. So save and run the program. Execution started. Now it will go to the browser. Then afterward it is going to perform the right mouse button on this right click me. Yes, it's performed. It wait for 5 seconds. Then afterward is one time arrow down, that is the edit button. Yes, after click on, we got an pop-up menu that we have clicked the right click edit button. Yeah, so let's see whether we can able to perform one or two times the arrow key down button. So I'll copy the same code again. I will write. So this time it is going to select cut. Okay, now let's run and run again the program. Let's open the window. Now click on right button. Then afterward it is going to select cut and enter. Yeah, it's entered. It's done. Yeah, I'll wait for 15 seconds. Then afterward it is the quit the browser. Yep, this is done. Your program executed successfully. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more similar kind of videos.